Hi friends, this is 7th sum from exercise number 12.2. Okay, the 7th sum is actually a chord of AB is a chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. O is the center. Okay, find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Which is the corresponding area to the chord? Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Corresponding segment is this is the corresponding segment. Okay, we have to find the area of this segment, and we have to use pi is 3.4 and root 3 is 1.73. Okay, then already we know that if it is a right angle triangle, if the degree is, if the angle theta value is 90 degree here, we will use, that will be a right angle triangle, right? Theta is 90 degree, so the formula for the area is 1 by 2 base into height, right? And for equilateral angle we will be using if the angle value is 60 degree, theta is 60 degree, we will be using area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. After that we will find the total sector area and we will subtract the value of this area of the triangle to get the value of this area, right? But if you have some triangles more than 90 degree, right, this is not an acute triangle, right? This is not an acute angle, so you just remember this formula for finding the minor segment. Okay, so area of corresponding segment minor, right, that is equal to pi into theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into r square. This is the formula you should remember. This is same. Okay, 360 theta by 360 pi r square. Okay, this is same, but you should minus this value now. Why do you subtract this value? Because this is not an acute angle, so sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into r squared, we took r squared as common, that's it. So this is theta into pi into theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 in common of r squared. Okay, we are just going to put the values. Theta value is 120, right? So 120 by 360 pi minus sin 120 by 2 cos 120 by 2 into r square, right? So 120 by 360 is, you can cancel 0 0, 3 12s are 36, so 1 by 3, that is pi by 3. Okay, here sin 120 by 2 is sin 60, cos 120 by 2 is cos 60, so this is r square. Again we have to use pi value is 3.14, right? So 3.14 by 3 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, that we know that, cos 60 is 1 by 2 into 12 squared, r is 12 centimeter, right, into 12 squared. Okay, then 3.14 divide by 3 minus, here 2 into 2 is 4, root 3 into 1 is root 3, so root 3 by 4 into 12 into 12, we can take the LCM. The LCM is nearest least common multiple is, the nearest common multiple is 12, 3 into 4 is 12, so we have to do the cross multiplication for taking LCM. 4 into 3.14 minus 3 root 3, 3 into root 3 by 12, we can cut 112, right? So this is 4 into 3.14 is 12.56, again 3 into 1.73, value of root 3 is 1.73, right, that is 5.19, so we have to minus this value from this value, so this value is 12.56, 3 root 3 is 5.19, we already found it, so if you subtract this you will get 7.37. We have 7.37 for this calculation, and you should multiply this by 12. The answer is 88.44 centimeter squared. Okay, this is the answer. So the area of corresponding segment is equal to 88.44 centimeter squared. Why centimeter? Because we have all the units in centimeter, that is given, right? Okay, we'll go for the next sum. See, I'm going to read the question now. You just keep your textbook in your hand. The question is, a horse is tied. A horse, you just imagine there is a horse in this. Actually, I am very weak in drawing, that's why. So a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square, that is tied here. Okay, square shaped grass field, okay, of side 15 meter. Sorry, 15, this is not centimeter, this is meter. 15 meter total sides, all sides are 15 meters, so this is a square. Okay, by means of a 5 meter long rope. From here, a 5 meter long rope has been tied to the horse, and we have to find the area of horse can graze. So the length of the rope is 5 meter, so it can graze up to the radius of circle 5 meter. Okay, இந்த 5 மீட்டர் அந்த ரோப்பு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த ரோப்பு இப்படி வந்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி இந்த ஹார்ஸ் நகர என்ன ஆகும், இப்படி வரும் இல்லையா, இப்படி தான் போக முடியும் ஹார்ஸ் இல்லையா. ஸோ திஸ் வில் மேக் அன் ஆர்க். ஓகே, ஸோ இது வந்து ஸ்கொயர் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால திஸ் ஆங்கிள் would be 90 டிகிரி. 4 ஆங்கிளுமே எப்படி இருக்கும், 90 டிகிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, இப்போ இந்த ஏரியாவில் மட்டும்தான் த ஹார்ஸ் கேன் கிரேஸ் இல்லையா. அப்போ ஏரியா ஆஃப் செக்டார் ஏபிசி, இதை வந்து ஏபிசின்னு வச்சுருக்கோம். ஏபிசி வந்து தீட்டா பை 360 இன்ட்டு பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர். தீட்டா இஸ் 90 டிகிரி by 360 into pi value we should take it as 3.14 into r squared is 5 into 5. Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 4 9s are 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36, right? 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. So 3.14 into 25 is 78.50. When you multiply some decimal places, you don't care about the decimal place, you just multiply by 5, you will get 1570. You multiply 314 by 2, you will get 628, and add those things. After getting the answer, you just you don't forget the decimal places, right? 1 2, so put the dot after 2 digits. Okay, so 78.50 again you have to divide it by 4, you will get 19.625. 19.625 meter squared is the area of this sector which horse can graze initially. Okay, the second part is the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, initially the length of the rope was 5 meter, right, radius. After that they increase it by 5 meter again, so this would be like this, right? This arc, the second arc, it is increased by 5 meter, that is totally 10 meter, right? Okay, instead of radius equal to 5 meter, now radius is 10 meter. The increase in grazing area, how can we get this? The increase in grazing area, not this entire, not this entire area, the increase, right? This area, this band area, okay, that is the increasing area, not included this, only this area, okay. That is, we can get grazing area of sector increased by 5 meter, the bigger one, no, we have to find the area of the bigger one and we have to subtract the smaller one to get this band, right? Got the point? Okay. So grazing area of sector increased by 5 centimeter, that is grazing area of sector with radius 10 centimeter minus initial grazing area. This is the initial grazing area, right? So theta by 360 into pi r squared is the formula for area of sector minus initial grazing area. Now r is 10, right? So 90 by 360 into pi value is 3.14, r is 10, so 10 into 10 minus initial grazing area, already we got it, right? With 5 meter radius, that is the initial grazing area, 19.625. so 90 by 360 is 1 by 4, 0 0, you can cancel 0 0, 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36, that is 1 by 4. This is this one you can make 3.14 as 314 by 100, right? Value will be the same, so 314 by 100 and 3.14 are same, okay. Here 10 into 10 is 100, you can cut down 100 and 100. This 19 point minus 19.625. See, in this formula we are just substituting 90 by 360 into pi value is 3.14, radius is 10 now, okay. So 10 into 10 minus initial grazing area is 19.625, already we got it, with 5 meter radius, that is the initial grazing area, right? Okay. So 314 by 4 minus 19.625, if you divide 314 by 4 you will get 78.5, right? 78.5 minus 19.625, if you subtract this you will get the answer of 58.875 meter squared. This is the increased area. So increased grazing area is equal to 58.875 meter squared. This is the answer. Okay guys, okay, thank you very much. I will see you in next video. Thank you.